Kadhi nyime wayudo kanyo ni jatend duond bura mano mar DCP moluor Rigathi Gachagua owuok tung' mosuo kod jatend piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto kaachiel kod jatend piny France Emmanuel Macron mibadhi mano mar omenda mabende romo bilion 7 duto te. Kane otwak kod jofwamb weche, jatelo no ne owacho ni nitiere kaka ne omi kambi moro omenda mano mabende romo bilion 7 mar loso apaya mano ma Mau Summit, to kata kamano ne oduogo owit oko winjruok mano mar gero apaya maket kodamano.
Must face the law. To the president, in the presence of Emmanuel Macron from France, it is important we let you know why Kenyans made noise to you at the University of Nairobi Taifa Hall. It wasn't because of disrespect or hatred. They had a message for you that their taxpayers' money has been used and wired to French firms to a tune of Kenya shillings 7 billion, being proceeds of crime, as their children are not in school and they have no food on the table. Mr. Macron, this is how it happened. On September 30, 2020, under President Uhuru Kenyatta's government, French firms were awarded a Kenya shillings 159 billion contract to build the Nairobi-Nakuru Mau Summit road. However, the deal was cancelled by President William Ruto administration even before the contractor commenced works, ushering in Chinese contractors to give room for corruption. The entry of the Chinese contractors, CRBC, came after the president visited Beijing in April last year. Based on reports emerging in May 2026, the Auditor General has flagged the irregular diversion of approximately 7.3 billion Kenya shillings from the fuel levy intended for road maintenance to pay French firms for the cancellation of the Rironi Mau Summit toll road contract. Mr. Macron, your French firms had a contract of 150 billion for a bigger scope. The Chinese firm CRBC firm takes it to 200 billion on a smaller scope, creating a 50 billion fund for corruption by William Ruto and the Chinese contractors. But your biggest interest and the reason why your French firms accepted cancellation of the Mau Summit was to get 7 billion shillings without doing anything at all. Mr. Macron, you are an accomplice in the 7 billion Kenya shillings theft from the people of Kenya. That is the money you have actually come to negotiate in Nairobi, not the summit that you are attending. Kenyans, this is a message Kenyans was passing to you yesterday. If you do know why they made noise, now you know. Kenyans are asking you not to leave our borders with this money. We needed to pay school fees. Mr. Macron, if Kenyans meet you elsewhere, they will make more noise. The children of Meru County risk missing going to school because your French national is demanding 64 million shillings from the county administration.